How you doing, guys? Today we're going to clean this hot tub out. We're going to try to clean out the internal tubing, plumbing system, if you will. That's probably full of all kinds of gunk from 4 years of use. I really haven't cleaned out the inside of the tubes yet. I found this stuff called Ahh-Some. I don't know how good it is, but we're going to give it a try. See if it works. It's supposed to be like 1 teaspoon per 100 gallons. This is a 350-gallon hot tub, and the water's been pretty good. I filled it up on April 1st, and we're going into mid-July here, so it's been doing pretty good, but I always empty it out every 3 to 4 months regardless. But today we're going to try to clean out the inside plumbing using this product, Ahh-Some. All right, the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take out the filter. I've seen a couple other videos and they take the filter out. And usually we put the filter, we just dump the filter right into the hot tub and let the Ahh-Some clean the filter that way while it's cleaning out the rest of the tub. All right, we're going to put 3 teaspoons in, 1 teaspoon per 100 gallons, 350-gallon hot tub. I put 3 teaspoons in, maybe a tad bit more, and dumped it into the spa and let that get going. All right, now once it's in the spa, I put the jets on the highest possible power mode they can go to really mix it up good. And while the jets are on the highest speed possible, I will turn the knobs on the jets to make sure that they're at full blast, full power to really mix this stuff up good. This is Bella, my faithful companion. She follows me everywhere I go. Hey, Bella. Cleaning the hot tub. She's enjoying the heat. Okay, you can see that it foamed up. I left it running for about 20 to 30 minutes. I shut the jets off, and you can see that film around the hot tub. Looks algae-like. I take a microfiber cloth and just go around the whole hot tub and just wipe that down and send it back into the water that we're going to eventually drain. And then I use a toothbrush to clean all the nooks and crannies. You can use any toothbrush. You don't have to use the wife's toothbrush like I did, but whatever works. Continue wiping. Okay, I removed the filter from the hot tub, and I'm taking the hose and I'm hosing off at a 45-degree angle, which is something you always want to do to the filter. So you want to push the dirt out. You don't want to push the dirt back into the filter. This is the pump I'm going to be using to remove the dirty water from the hot tub. As you can see, it's almost totally drained. What I do is I lower the temperature on the hot tub so it doesn't automatically kick on the jets. So now the power is still on. It's below the intakes. Now I'm going to kick the jets on just to get some of the extra water out of the tubing. Okay, all the dirty water is empty. Everything's been wiped down. I shut off the power to the hot tub. We're refilling it. If anybody new to hot tubs, always remember to fill it through the filter tube. You don't want to, this is how you prevent airlock. This will fill up in a bit. Okay, the filter's back in. The hot tub has been filled. My hot tub takes about 6 to 7 hours to reach a temperature of 102 degrees. It wasn't as dirty as I thought it was. I guess that's a good thing. But thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video.